loving, caring. This is my family.
పోదాం పారును చూద్దాం చలో చలో అల్లరి చేద్దాం చలో చలో.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Italian cheese macaroni recipe.
fresh bell pepper,
Fresh capsicum. Let's cut vegetables. Wow. Bell peppers looking very fresh. Wow. Yes. Now we boil macaroni. Now we will add enough water to boil macaroni. Macaroni. Wow, water boiling now. We will add macaroni. Macaroni boiled enough, we will take out now. Keep aside for some time to drain out water.
butter,
Add little oil. Chopped garlic. Onion. Yellow bell peppers. Red bell peppers. Capsicum. Sweet corn. If you wish to add a carrot or sweet corn, whatever you can add. Saute 5 minutes on low flame. Salt. Black pepper. Red chili flakes. Italian seasoning. Now I'm adding boiled macaroni. Now I am preparing creamy white sauce. Butter. Butter melted very well. Now I am going to add all-purpose flour. Now perfectly blended all-purpose flour in the butter. Milk. Boil the milk until it becomes thick on slow flame. Add little salt to taste and pepper. Then red chili flakes and also Italian seasoning. Let it boil for some time so it will become thick and creamy. Now I'm adding cheese. Now white sauce becoming thick and creamy. White sauce became thick. Now we will add cooked macaroni. Now we will garnish with scallion greens.
Italian cheesy macaroni.
Oh, it's very hot.
Super.
Yummy. That Italian seasoning, some nice flavor. Kids definitely love a lot this recipe. It's a favorite recipe for kids. Last week we are posted in our community poll to choose a recipe. So 70% people chosen this creamy macaroni recipe, so that we are prepared today. It's really awesome.
Super.
bell peppers, really awesome. Italian cheesy macaroni, super! If you like our recipe, please subscribe, like, share and support us to reach 10 million subscribes.